Hello and welcome to another ATV video tutorial. In this video we will delve into advanced camera registration for your ATV recorder. This video expands on the concepts of the basic and manual camera registration videos. For this tutorial you will need 3 or more Ethernet cables. Connect one end of cable 1 to your router or internet switch. Connect the other end of cable 1 to your PoE switch. Connect one end of cable 2 to your camera pigtail, and the other end of cable 2 to the PoE switch. The third cable will be used to connect your PoE switch to the LAN port on your ATV recorder. Alternatively, you could put the local network router between the switch and the recorder, but either way, the cameras will need an IP address equivalent to that of the local network. In the recorder's setup menu, go to the Network tab. Click the checkbox for DHCP and UPnP and click Save. Your network configuration should be automatically updated, but click Test to confirm an internet connection. From a computer on the local network, we will want to run command prompt. Search for CMD and click the command prompt icon when it populates. In the command prompt, we will want to type ARP space -A. This will return a list of IP addresses already registered on the local network. In this example, there are no .20 addresses, so those are the addresses we will be utilizing. We can now use the Smart Manager tool to change the IP addresses of the cameras to those we have selected. For detailed information on this, refer to the manual camera registration video. Additionally, as the cameras are now on a permanently accessible network, it is recommended to also change their passwords. From Smart Manager, right-click on the camera and select Open Web Page. You should be immediately prompted to change the default password. Enter your desired password and click Save. You will now be prompted to log into the camera to confirm your password change. Back on the recorder, we will need to go to Camera Registration. You should see your cameras in the list with their static IP addresses. In the bottom right, select an available channel and click Add to CH. In addition to changing the IP address of the OnViv URL, we will also need to change the password by clicking on the box containing the 5 stars next to ID/PWD. Use the keyboard provided to type in your case-sensitive password, using Shift to access special characters. Click Test to confirm the connection to the camera. If the test is successful, you can now click Regist in the bottom left. And now for a few troubleshooting steps. When changing the recorder network to DHCP, if it returns a gateway of 0.0.0.0, this can mean one of two things. Either the recorder is not physically connected to the network, or the network does not supply DHCP. For this and other reasons, it may be necessary to assign a static IP address to the recorder. Clicking the static IP checkbox will allow you to configure more network settings. You will need to click the box next to IP address and use the keypad provided to enter your desired IP. You will also need to enter the gateway of the local network by clicking the box next to gateway and using the keypad there. If the gateway is unknown, contact a network administrator. When your adjustments are complete, click Save. The PoE and LAN port on the back of the recorder are distinct networks, and while you can import cameras from either location, it is important to remember that those coming in on the PoE port need the PoE scheme, and those coming in on the LAN port will need the LAN scheme. However, if a camera is directly connected to a PoE port that is not through a switch, the 0 config IP shown here is also acceptable. This has been the advanced camera registration video. Please check out one of our other videos for information on your ATV video recorder. As always, we look forward to serving you, and have a great day.